Hello and welcome back to another video. We are going to be looking at sharing into a ratio today. Sharing into a ratio means that we are taking something, mostly money and sweets, and are going to share them between people, normally 2 or 3. Each person will receive their amount based on the number in the ratio. Let's have a look at your first question. It says that Bill and Ben share £70 into the ratio 5:2. How much does each person get? First, we need to understand what the ratio is telling us. The order of the numbers follows the order of the names in the question. Since Bill is mentioned first, this means that Bill is the 5 in our ratio, leaving Ben to be the second number in our ratio. This means for every £5 Bill gets, Ben gets 2. The next thing to do is to draw our ratio in the form of boxes, and this will allow us to see what is happening exactly. Bill therefore gets 5 boxes and Ben gets 2. We now want to share our £70 evenly between our boxes. Since we have 7 boxes, we divide 70 by 7, which gives us 10. This 10 goes in each of our boxes. Now we can add up how much each person gets. Bill has 5 boxes, and if we add up all the boxes of 10, we get 50. If we do the same for Ben, he has 2 boxes, so that gives us 20. That means that Bill gets £50 and Ben gets £20. Now let's have a look at a second question. The wording on this question is important, so make sure you are paying attention to it. Bill and Ben share some money into the ratio 5:2. Bill gets £50. How much does Ben get? Before we get into what the question is asking us, let's first draw our ratio as boxes. Bill gets 5 boxes and Ben gets 2 boxes. We are told in the question that Bill gets £50. This means that all of Bill's boxes must add up to £50 and have the same amount in each box. To work out how much to put in each box, we must divide the 50 by 5. 50 divided by 5 is 10. This means that we put 10 in every single box that we have drawn. If we do this, we can then work out how much Ben gets. Ben has 2 boxes, both with £10 in. That means that Bill gets £20 in total. Finally, let's have a look at our last question. Bill and Ben share some money into the ratio 5:2. Bill gets £30 more than Ben. How much does Ben get? Since this is a ratio question, let's draw out our boxes again. Bill gets 5 boxes and Ben gets 2 boxes. Now looking at the wording of the question, Bill gets 30 more than Ben. This means that the number of extra boxes Bill gets must total £30. Since the 3 boxes total £30, we can work out what each box is worth by dividing the 30 by 3, which is 10. This tells us that we put 10 in each box. Working out how much Bill gets, we find he gets £50 and that Ben gets £20. Since the question is asking how much Ben gets, our answer is £20. Notice how all 3 questions have exactly the same answer. This is because it was the same question every time, but the wording was different. The difference in the wording changed how we approached the question. What's important is making sure that you draw out your boxes first and then decided which method the question is asking you to do. Thanks for watching another video. Please don't forget to subscribe.